Hi guys, gonna see how we get on with the Earwig wooden clip together kit. Now, most of the kits I do are made by Woodcraft, but this one isn't. I think that's beautiful. That's one of the nicest kits I've made. Nicely cut, everything came out easily, and it's a beautiful insect at the end. Yeah, lovely. Unfortunately, I just don't understand who it's made by. That's it. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.